let's go walking with the folks. I filled up the bird feeders today. We got a forecast of sleet. It was sleeting earlier, freezing rain and snow. And I'm not sure how much we'll get. That wind feel blustery. Oh, come on. No, you guys stay together. Thank you.
You have entered the monitoring area.
I put out some corn for the deers. And I got my troll camera under Shelly's. I'm thinking this summer I'm going to put out here facing the barrels. That way if something gets into the barrels, I'll know what it is. And I filled all the bird feeders. I said that already. See, that one's full. The double decker. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Got a pile of corn out there. Tomorrow we're going to pick up a mineral block for the deers. We're still in the winter weather. This is February. This is one of the worst months for winter. I hope everybody likes my troll cam video. I want to put more than just the puppies on my videos. Barkley's trying to pull me. Barkley said, I already peed, I won't go in. Oh, hold on, Barkley, we gotta wait for Sissy. Windy out. Oh, that bag blew in the backyard. Sure did. Come out here later sometime this summer or whatever. Pick it up with gloves. No, Barkley. No, Barkley. No. 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 Thank you. Thank you very much. I was supposed to drop to freezing today, and it's supposed to go below freezing tomorrow. I mean overnight. No sunshine today. Nope. Come on, doggies. Get cold. Temperature's about 39 Fahrenheit earlier. Probably dropped there. I think the wind chill was like 34. I have to recheck it. Where are you going? Thanks to folks for walking with you. Says thank you, folks. Barkley. Says thank you, folks. Got my eye on you, Barkley. Thanks for walking with us, folks.